पारमार्थिक जगत में
In the spiritual realm,
जब तक हमारे
spiritual life,
समस्त जस प्रतिष्ठा
if all desires for, if we're desiring name, fame, reputation, then
धार्मिक दाता निष्पापी और परिचय में अपने मान प्रतिष्ठा चाहते हैं। पहले दिन उसने मैंने षष्ठ श्लोक में हम लोग भी पढ़ा था और ये चेत करण करण मुत्रे इस श्लोक में ये तीन प्रकार के
so in this shloka, the previous shloka, we heard about three kinds of people in this world, three kinds of sadhaka. One kind of sadhaka is
स्वनिष्ठ साधक
Swanishta Sadhak, another is Parinishtita Sadhak, and a third type, Nirapeksha Sadhak. We heard about this. Swanishta Sadhak, he thinks, he keeps this his dharma.
उपकार नहीं करे किंतु अपकार तो नहीं करते
He will not do any harm to anyone, but also no welfare to anyone also. But he will continue in the path of goodness.
अपने के निष्पापी के रूप में परिचय देते हैं।
He is also like Nispapi. He is not involving in any sinful activities, and he wants name, fame, and reputation also, some pratishta. Parinishta Sadhaka, he thinks he is a devotee.
सदा सर्वदा विषय से दूर रहना चाहते हैं।
And he always wants to be far from the enjoying sense gratification. Page 72, Manashiksha English, 72, verse 7.
से अपने जस विस्तार की आशा।
72.
ये स्वनिष्ठ और परिनिष्ठ दोनों ही
So the Swanishta and Parinishta,
गृहस्थ माना जाता
both of them are grihastas. Do you understand? This is the only difference. Both are grihastas.
है। अभी अपने को
One
निष्पापी समझ रहे हैं।
is thinking himself is without any sins.
उपकार नहीं
He will not do any harm to anyone, and also
करते।
not any welfare to anyone also.
अपने समाज में रहते हैं,
He stays in the society.
पसंद करते हैं। कुछ हो जाए,
If something happens,
पैसा हो गया तो कहीं पर दान कर दिया। है संत महापुरुष के
then he gives some money, for example, to helping feed the sadhus. He gives some money to the poor people as well.
इससे उनको क्या करते हैं?
Hindi is freezing up.
कि थोड़ा पैसा दे दिया। इससे उनको क्या करते हैं? वो उससे लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा मल
In this way, he gets some name, fame, and reputation. Hindi connection is not good. Harbo.
इससे उनको क्या करते हैं? वो उससे लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा मल पूजा प्रतिष्ठा मल
Hindi connection is not good. It's freezing up all the time. I cannot understand.
ऐसे दान दे रहे हैं। इसमें भी वो लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा ले रहे हैं। और
In this way, he also takes some name, fame, and reputation. And a Parinishta Sadhaka, he thinks, I am a devotee of Bhagavan.
भगवत भक्त भगवान की मैं भक्त हूँ।
I am a devotee of Bhagavan. And I'm far from sense enjoyment.
और इसी प्रकार अनेक
In this way,
आकांक्षा आकांक्षा
he nourished the desire to expand his fame. Page 72.
तीसरी जो है
Third kind, Nirapeksha Sadhaka, thinks,
घर संसार सुभजन करते हैं।
I am strict renunciant.
शास्त्र ज्ञान आदि अर्जन कर लेते
So he got the knowledge of the scriptures, he left his house, and he thinks,
अच्छी तरह मैं
oh, I know everything properly about the Shastras. I have, my bhakti has come to the stage of perfectional stage. In this way, he maintains the desire for prestige.
डंडा चलाते हैं, माने शासन करते हैं,
He chastises others and punishes others.
चिंतन करते रहते हैं।
So he's thinking like this.
सब नहीं है।
But it's not true.
ये भी एक प्रकार क्या है?
So this is also one kind of
प्रतिष्ठा है।
pratishtha.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं जब तक ये प्रतिष्ठा के
As long as the desire for honor and distinction has not been driven from the heart, the seat will remain. And until one becomes free from the seat, he cannot obtain pure, unalloyed divine love.
निर्मल साधु प्रेम प्राप्ति करने के लिए
So to attain the unalloyed love, you have to give up all the duplicity and hypocrisy. And also you have to be always very humble, low and humble.
भगवान के निकट काकू सर से
And with a,
प्रार्थना करें।
have to pray to Lord with a very humble humble words and humble attitude. Pray to Lord. Page 73, Manashiksha English. In this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami has expressed the following conclusion in Bhaktirasamrita Sindhu. When Bhava Bhakti deepens and matures, the sadhaka's heart becomes completely soft and melted. At the time, the devotee experiences the supreme exultation of transcendental bliss and awakens an overwhelming sense of possessiveness, mamata, towards Shri Krishna. Learned authorities describe this condition as prem. So the general definition of prem, ananya mamata Vishnu. If you have ananya mamata, means one pointed possessiveness to only Vishnu, not any other demigod or demigoddesses. You only have mamata for Vishnu. This is prem. Brahma, Prahlada and great Mahajans, they also glorify this. When our heart becomes pure, means without the desire for sense gratification, at that time, our heart becomes very pure and unalloyed, crystal, like a crystal. And these moods will reflect in your heart. And in this moment, the rays of the love of the eternal Vrajavasis, they will reflect on in your heart.
इससे उनको क्या करते हैं, वो उससे लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा प्रतीत होता है, रिफ्लेक्ट.
Hindi connection is freezing. Haribol.
उसमें क्या होता है, प्रतिफलित होता है. उसमें क्या होता है, प्रतिफलित होता है, रिफ्लेक्ट. उसमें क्या होता है,
Hindi is it working, the Hindi one?
एक ग्रुप में अपराजित दिव्य वह समझता हो, इसलिए कह रहे हैं भाव जागृति परिपक्व होने पर जब गाढ़ता.
So when Bhava Bhakti deepens and matures, the sadhaka's heart becomes completely soft and melted. At that time, the devotee experience the supreme exultation of transcendental bliss and awakens an overwhelming sense of possessiveness, mamata, towards Shri Krishna. Learned authorities describe this condition as prem. The video of the Hindi is freezing all the time. Do you see this condition there? When Mother Jashoda would call Gopal, immediately her heart would melt every time. So the eternal associates of Krishna, this is natural for them in their hearts. They have this natural love. So you have heard all this.
अभी हम अष्टम श्लोक में, ये सप्तम श्लोक में हम लोग.
So now we are in the 7th verse.
प्रतिष्ठा साधिष्ठा सपचर मुझी नटे कथं साधु प्रेमा पिशति सुचिरे ननुमन सदात्म सेवस्य प्रभु द्वैत सामंतम उतुलम.
Verse 7, Manashiksha.
समंतगण. समंतगण माने सेनापतिगण.
What is the Samantagan? Are the generals, the commanders of the army of Lord. Esse negócio como funciona. Caraca.
अत्यंत जो है प्रिय समंतगण. समंतगण माने सेनापतिगण.
Could someone change the hotspot of the Hindi? It's impossible to understand. It's freezing all the time.
काम क्रोध आदि दूरीभूत हो जाए, होना स्वाभाविक है. किंतु प्रतिष्ठा के आशा.
So the lust and anger maybe will be removed, but the desire for pratishtha, for prestige, is very dangerous. So how does the desire of prestige is coming? If God gave you any kind of position, you become completely proud. If somebody puts sitting you in a throne or in a position, you are thinking, oh, I am the best. Woo! This is natural. This happens a lot. So when you get a higher position, then you have so much abhiman, this ego.
तो इसलिए करें ये सब क्या है प्रतिष्ठा माधवेंद्र परिवार की कथा आप लोगों ने श्रवण किया
So you heard about Madhavendra Puripad.
पुजारी ने
The Pujari,
सुना माधवेंद्र परिवार
you heard how Madhavendra Puripad,
गए
he went to Kirchora Gopinath.
गोपीनाथ में और उस समय ठाकुर जी के भोग लगा भोग आरती सुबह
So they were doing the arati of the dates and a very good fragrance was coming. Madhavendra Puripad didn't tell anyone. Only in his mind he was thinking that
मन इतना ही सोच रहे हैं
God.
कि आज ठाकुर जी के क्या भोग लगा
So he was thinking, what they are offering to the deity, because this such a good fragrance is coming.
और पुजारी के पूछा भाई क्या बात है?
So he asked to the Pujari, what's going on? And then the Pujari told, every day they offer,
इतने सुगंध प्राप्त करके
they will offer 12 pots of, oh my God, 12 pots of Amrita Keli to the deity. Caraca.
अत्यंत जो है प्रिय समंतगण अत्यंत जो है और इधर माधवेंद्र परिवार हरिनाम करते करते
So Madhavendra Puripad, he was chanting holy names in the market. And then he was in a corner of the market chanting holy names very late at night.
12 बजे
And it was like midnight. Then the deity himself
माधवेंद्र पुरी क्या बोले पुजारी के जो है जगह
woke up the Pujari
पुजारी वो तो
and told Pujari, wake up.
मेरे जोग में आके प्रभाव से
By the influence of my Jogamaya,
सोचा जो 12 जो कुल्लर जो महा
you thought that you took out the 12 pots of Amrita Keli, sweet rice. But one pot I have hidden, I have hidden under my Simhasan, my throne, in the altar. So wake up and bring this pot that I've hidden. Give it to my dear devotee Madhavendra Puripad.
पुजारी सपने में
So the Pujari,
साथ ही साथ उठे स्नान आदि
in the dream he saw this. So he woke up, bathed, took a bath, chanted Gayatri Mantra, then he went inside the altar and he saw really,
के नीचे
under the altar there was a pot.
लेकर के आया
So he brought,
और रात 12 बजे सब निजू मस है
so midnight,
सब झम कर रहे माने
it was like completely dark night, and like a, how to say, very, no one was there, no sound, like deep dark night.
जार लगी
Pujari was yelling in the market, who is Madhavendra Puri for whom the deity has stolen this pot of
छुरी
sweet rice?
कौन माधवेंद्र पुरी है
Who is Madhavendra Puri
ठाकुर जी गोपीनाथ
for whom Gopinath has stolen the kheer and kept it for him?
पुरी कौन है माधवेंद्र
Who is Madhavendra Puri? Who is Madhavendra Puri?
माधवेंद्र पुरी के कान में
Then these
पहुंचे जो माधवेंद्र
words came into the ear of Madhavendra Puripad. Then humbly he told, my name is this, Madhavendra. Oh Prabhu, you are so fortunate, you are blessed. The deity stole this for you. Actually, the deity ordered me to give this to you.
माधवेंद्र पुरी
Madhavendra Puripad, his heart melted. He started crying.
तो कंठ हो गया
His throat became choked.
है क्या और उन्होंने क्या की
So what did he do? He took just a little bit.
ठाकुर जी के उच्छिष्ट जो
So having taken the prasad of the deity, the remnants, Mahaprasad.
महाप्रसाद ग्रहण करने
So taking these remnants of the deity immediately,
रोमांच कंपस
Romancha Kampashru, all the ecstatic symptoms manifested in his body.
स्वादिष्ट
And such a delicious prasadam, what can I tell? So Madhavendra Puripad took,
सारी जो अपने कपड़ों में बांध
and then he also put in his cloth, like he bound that offering pot of the prasadam to keep it.
पुजारी सबको बोल दे
So he thought, if I stay here in the morning, the pujari will tell everyone that the deities stole something from me. How great this devotee is.
क्या थी लोग ने तो पूछा ही है
People think people, like, then I'll be famous. People will come and tell me, oh Maharaj, you are Siddha Mahatma.
ये चारी तरफ घेर लेंगे
All the materialists, they will surround me and saying that I'm a great devotee. and I'll be famous among.
इसलिए माधवेंद्र परिपाद ने
So Madhavendra Paripada,
प्रतिष्ठा भये
afraid of receiving this pratishtha, this name, fame, reputation, he fled. He left in the middle of the night.
उस स्थान को छोड़ करके
He left in the middle of the night.
ये चलने लगी है। तो आए थे गोपाल गोवर्धन के गोपाल के जो है ले क्या लेने के लिए चंदन
He had come to take the chandan and kapoor, the sandalwood paste, and camphor for Gopal. So in the middle of the night he left Remuna.
कथा तो कोई छुपा नहीं सकते
But nobody, he could not hide this story. So what happened? Like a fire, this story spread everywhere, and everybody got to know about him.
जाए कराई दिया।
So he ran away from Name and Fame, and Name and Fame ran after him.
तो इसी प्रकार करे एकमात्र माधवेंद्र परिवार
So
की भी कह रहे हैं देखो
this is only from Madhavendra Paripada we see,
प्रतिष्ठा के भय से
by the fear in Pratishtha,
कहाँ कहाँ
he tried to hide.
इसलिए यहाँ पर
He tried to hide.
दृष्टांत दे रहे हैं
No, he tried to hide himself from the fame, but was not possible.
जी अपनी प्रतिष्ठा के आशा को प्रतिष्ठा आशा कहते हैं अन्य सभी अनर्थ के दूर होने पर भी प्रतिष्ठा
72. Number 1. The desire for honor and distinction is called Pratishta Asha. Although all other anarthas may be dispelled, the desire for prestige is not easily removed. From these, all kinds of deceits and hypocrisy arise and are gradually nourished. The desire for prestige is called shameless. For although it is the root of all anarthas, it fails to acknowledge its own fault. It is called Chandalini, a female dog eater, for it is engaged in eating the dog meat of fame.
क्योंकि प्रतिष्ठा आशा जितना सपच रमणी चंडालिनी के साथ तुलना की
So it's compared to a Chandalini,
ये जस
female dog eater.
कुत्ते के मांस खाने वाले
Female dog eater, for it's engaged in eating the dog meat of fame.
हमारे हृदय में रहेगा तो
So if we have these things in our heart, Shuddha Bhakti can never manifest.
पापी आदि परिचय में अपने मान प्रतिष्ठा चाहते हैं हाँ
The Swanishta Sadhaka, mentioned in the previous verse, yearns to be recognized as virtuous, benevolent, and free from all sin. So 3 kinds of sadhakas we spoke.
सनिष्ठ साधक दूसरी है परिनिष्ठित साधक
Swanishta Sadhaka, Parinishtita Sadhaka, and third, Nirapeksha Sadhaka.
कपटता पड़ा
They have also duplicity.
है इसके बारे में तो हम लोग आलोचना किया इसलिए कह रहे हैं ये समस्त प्रतिष्ठा हम कैसे दूर करें वृंदावन श्री कृष्ण ये द्वैत अर्थात अतिशय प्रिय
So now page 73.
अर्थात जिनके
Number 3. The incomparable army commanders of Lord Shri Krishna. The words Prabhu Daita mean those who are extremely dear to Lord Brajendranandana Shri Krishna. The word Atula means that which has no comparison. The word Samanta means a general or commander of an army. Always serve the powerful generals of the army of Krishna's devotees.
संग करो
So have the association of the Shuddha Bhaktas and serve them.
भगवान के सबसे निकटतम जन कौन है
Who are the most intimate persons of God?
शुद्ध वैष्णव
These pure Vaishnavas.
शुद्ध वैष्णव के हृदय में ह्लादनी शक्ति के किरण प्रतिफलित होती है
The divine rays of Hladini Shakti are reflected in the hearts of pure Vaishnavas. From their hearts, these rays of Hladini Shakti are transmitted into the hearts of other faithful sadhakas, thus dispelling the anarthas of wickedness, deceit and hypocrisy, and manifesting Braja Prem.
प्रेम का प्रकाश करती है बोले भक्ति ऐसे है
Bhakti is such a thing that,
क्या बोले संक्रामक व्याधि जैसे
like a Sankram Vyadhi, Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, in the Brihad Bhagavatamrita, he explains,
शब्द लिखा
he used this word to refer to Bhakti. Just like if someone's sick, if someone's sick, it's like a flu, suppose. This will also spread contagions, other people. Just like nowadays, coronavirus. Everyone just listening about corona, everyone's afraid. Everyone needs to be far from that person who has coronavirus because they're afraid to catch it. Sankram Vyadhi, like a infectious disease.
घर में हो गया सबको
Like infectious disease can spread from one person to another person and everybody's in lockdown.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
भक्ति क्या है
what is Bhakti?
हृदय में शुद्ध भक्ति हो जाए
If you have Shuddha Bhakti in your heart,
का आदि संग आदि करने पर उनकी अनुगत सेवा आदि करने पर साधक के हृदय में
then by serving this person, associating with this person who has Shuddha Bhakti, all the duplicity that the sadhaka has in his heart slowly will be destroyed. Why?
शक्ति के किरण के
because the divine rays of Hladini Shakti are reflected in the hearts of pure Vaishnavas. From their hearts, these rays of Hladini Shakti are transmitted into the hearts of the other faithful sadhakas, thus dispelling the anarthas of wickedness, deceit, and hypocrisy, and manifesting Braja Prem.
तब वह ब्रज प्रेम की प्रकाश की योग्य बन जाता है।
Then the person becomes qualified to manifest Braja Prem. The embrace of pure Vaishnavas, the dust from their lotus feet, the nectar from their lips, that is, the remnants of their prasad, the water that washes their feet, and their instructions are all fully competent to transmit Hladini Shakti into the heart. So, Chaitanya Charitamrita explains. Page 74. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, the dust of the lotus feet of devotees, the water that washes their feet, and third, the remnants of their prasada, Maha Prasad. So if you offer something to Lord, it becomes, when God takes prasad, then it's called Mahaprasad. But when the pure devotee takes that Mahaprasad and leaves some behind, some leftover, this is called Mahaprasad. These remnants, they are so powerful. Which three things? One, Bhakta Padaduli, the dust of the lotus feet of the devotees, and the water that has washed their feet, and also third, there, for the remnants, which is the prasad. So if we serve these three items, let's say like this, you will attain Krishna Bhakti. This has been proclaimed in all the scriptures again and again. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also says, oh my brothers, these three things, the dust of the lotus feet of the devotees, the water that has washed their feet, and the remnants of their prasad, Maha Prasad. If you serve them, you will attain the love for the lotus feet of Krishna. This has been proclaimed in all the scriptures again and again. So they are very powerful. If you want to enter the realm of bhajan, you need to accept these three things. How? With faith. With faith. With faith. With faith. So all my brothers, serve them with faith.
इसलिए भगवान के प्रिय भक्तजन प्रभु के अतुलनीय प्रभाव संपन्न सेनापति उनकी सेवा सर्वस्व सहजी दुर्गम परम दुर्लभ कृष्ण प्रेम को उत्पन्न कराती है। देखो भूत पिशाच भी भगवत भक्त की
Even the ghosts also, they deliver when they take the washing water, foot bathing water of the Vaishnavas, they also deliver, even the ghosts. You know that devotee who lives in the Gopinath Bhavan, Vrindavan, Parashananda. A ghost tried to possess him or to attack him, and then ghost told, I'll only leave you like if you give me the foot bathing water of Shravamana Maharaj. Then Brahmachari told, but it has long time since last time he came to Vrindavan. Oh no, there is a Babaji Maharaj in the Rup Sanatan. He has that water in his room, in the shelf, upper in the shelf. So even this the ghost knew, and he told to Parashananda Brahmachari that he wanted that foot bathing water specifically, and he told where to find it even. There are many Vaishnavas in Vrindavan. Many Shuddha Vaishnavas also. No, you cannot say there are not other Vaishnavas. Otherwise it's an offense. So I'm telling briefly, this is a true story. So this water, so many years ago, Gurudev had come, and then the ghost told him, okay, give me the water and don't look behind. So it was like lunchtime in the month of Jet. It was very hot time. So he went to Keshi Ghat, in the banks of Jamuna. He gave in a copper pot. He gave to the ghost this foot bathing water of Shivamana Maharaj. It was a female ghost.
वो भी अपने बताया अपना स्वरूप बताया।
She also told him,
वो मेरा क्या हुआ, मेरा जो है
she said,
पंजाब ने दिल्ली
oh, actually I was born in Punjab. She was Punjabi.
के साथ आई
And she had come to Jamuna with her parents. She had come to Vrindavan.
से नाम सफर कर रही थी।
And they were going on a boat ride, but the boat sunk and she died in the Jamuna. And she didn't even know how many years ago this incident took place. So she said, since that time I'm here as like a female ghost.
राती में
I stay here, I live here
किसी घाट पर
on the Keshigat.
गैंग लीडर है, सारी कथा सुना है, उनके
She
बारे
told
में
everything
सुना देंगे।
to that brahmachari.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है भक्त पद धौत जल और भक्त के उच्छिष्ट महाप्रसाद
The remnants of the devotees.
से चरण रज, इसलिए हमारे गुरुदेव भी कहते कितने
So-
भूतों के उन्होंने
My Gurudeva told Shlavamana Maharaj how many ghosts he also delivered.
कर दिया।
Yeah, he even also performed the wedding ceremony of the ghosts. Actually, when he's performing the wedding ceremonies of the ghosts, he's delivering them.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है
So in this way,
भक्त पद धौत जल
Bhakta Pada Daita Jal, foot bathing water of the devotees, the remnants, and also the foot dust is not ordinary. And how to take them with faith,
करे भाई,
If you say,
विश्वास करिए भाई, करो ये तीनों सेवन
so you have to accept them with faith,
विश्वास करके लेना,
Vishwas.
विश्वास करके तब ये काम
But even if you don't have faith, slowly it will make effect. But if you take with faith, then it will give the result very quickly. Quickly the result will come.
इसलिए ये संस्था श्री है। इसलिए भगवान के प्रिय भक्तजन
So the dear associates of Lord,
समस्त
by their influence,
सेनापति भी है, उनकी सेवा सर्व प्रकार से
so if you serve them,
सहज ही दूर कर
all the anarthas, they are
प्रेम को सर्व
removed. 75, last paragraph. Serving them eradicates all anarthas very easily and generates the very rare divine love for Shri Krishna.
यथा
6 verse now. 8 verse, Manashiksha.
यथा मज्जं प्रेमामृतं कोऽपि ददातु ददातु उज्ज्वलं रसमसौ तथा श्रीगन्धर्वान् विद्ये प्रेरयति मां तथा गुष्टे काप्वा गिरिधरमिह तं भज मनः साधु संग द्वारा
By the association of advanced devotees, Hladini Shakti, which dispels all corruption and brings about the highest perfection,
सर्वार्थ
is transmitted into the sadhaka's heart.
होती है।
But that type of association is not easily obtained.
देखो साधु संग भी
So even sadhusanga is very rare.
इसलिए कर रहे हैं
So therefore, O mind, with utter humility
पूर्ण
and grief-stricken words,
सहित
just worship
कातुरता पूर्ण वाणी के साथ
Shri Giridhari Krishna in Braj in such a way that he will become pleased with me.
वे मुझ पर प्रसन्न होकर मुझ सत्य
By his causeless mercy, he will remove my wickedness, bestow the nectar of his supremely radiant love, and confer upon me the inspiration to worship Shrimati Radhika.
श्रीमती राधा के भजन की प्रेरणा प्रदान करेंगे। ब्रज में रह करके ही
So stay in Braj.
भजन करना, ब्रज
You have to do bhajan, staying in Braj.
जीवन करो, ब्रज में रह करके ही।
You have to stay in Braj.
तो कैसे रह कर भजन करें?
How to do bhajan?
दैन्य काकुति हो
With so much humility
करके
and grief-stricken words.
असहाय
I am completely helpless and destitute. A humble and sincere prayer with this mood is called Dainya Kakuti.
है। बोले देखो ब्रज की ऐसे भूमि है जहाँ
Braj is such a place that wherever you stay in Braj,
जैसे
like for example, there's some story that explains in this near the Sevakunja,
पति आए थे, पति पत्नी अभी विवाह करके आए
like a recently married couple from Bengal, they came.
और देखो उनकी पत्नी के नाम क्या थे?
The name of the wife was,
क्या नाम बताया?
what is her name?
किशोरी
Kishori.
है। आसन ठीक सेवा कुंज के पास ही कई ब्रजवासी के घर में एक कमरा भाड़ा में ले लिया
So they rented a house near the Sevakunja.
है।
They were staying there.
उनके
But suddenly, the wife died suddenly.
अभी अभी शादी करके आई है,
So they had just recently gotten married and the wife left. She left body. But the husband was so attached to her.
पागल हो गई।
So he became like crazy, that man, he became crazy.
किशोरी किशोरी किशोरी
He was saying, Kishori, 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 and he was again and again calling her.
है। रात 12 बजे के समय वो किशोरी किशोरी करके डोलते डोलते सेवा कुंज के दरवाजे पर आ
So midnight, 1 a.m., he was near the Savakonja yelling, Kishori, Kishori. And at this time, the Rasa Leela was already over. After midnight, 1 a.m., so everyone was gone. So
ये मेरा सखी है,
Shrimati Radhika told, oh look, my Saki, I have to give my darshan to her. Lalita told to Shrimati Radhika,
पत्नी के नाम किस
this man is crazy, he's only crying and taking the name of Kishori, his wife, not your name.
ब्रज में मेरा
Shrimati Radhika said, but actually my name in Braj is Kishori. He's calling my name, he's calling me.
अरे अजामिल अपने बेटा के नाम रख
Ajamil just gave to his son the name
नाम रख
Narayan. And in this way he did Namabasa and he attained Vaikuntha. So
नाम तो किशोरी नाम राधा जी
the name Kishori belongs originally to Shrimati Radhika. Maybe it's also the name of his wife or anything, but
मैंने उसे
original person Kishori is Shrimati Radhika, so I have to give darshan to him, she thought.
देखो अंत में
So in the end,
राधा जी उनको भी
Shrimati Radhika gave darshan to this man and
वो लोग वृंदावन में ले गए।
he went to Goloka Vrindavan.
एक कथा है,
There are many stories like this,
दूर के तौर पर जो
but by logic and debates you cannot establish these stories, like the truth about the stories. Because Braj Vrindavana is a transcendental, divine, spiritual place.
केवल शास्त्र युक्ति के द्वारा आप स्थापित
With the logic of the scriptures, you cannot establish all this, only with the logic of the scriptures. But if you live in Braj and if you do bhajan, perform bhajan in Braj,
बहुत कठिन होता है।
actually it's very difficult to do that, to live and do bhajan inside Braj.
कहा जाता है जो ब्रज में रह कर
So those who are doing bhajan in Braj, they are very fortunate.
जिसको जन्म हो गया
Those who are born in Braj, they are also nothing less.
है, इसलिए यहाँ पर ब्रज की एक
That's why
भी कहते हैं, पर एक गोकुल के गाय और
the cow of Gokul,
मथुरा के बेटी
the daughter of Mathura,
बाहर जाए,
like I'll never go,
कहते हैं ना,
they have this saying, like the proverb, like, oh, I never need to go out of Braj.
दिल्ली से लोग शादी करके ब्रज में रहते हैं,
Maybe people, they get married
दिल्ली चले जाते हैं,
from,
फुट गया उसका,
like what happens, some people maybe
ब्रजवासी
they come from Delhi and they marry in Braj,
के गाय
and some person,
मथुरा के बेटी और ब्रज के बेटी करम फूटे तो बाहर जाए,
maybe a daughter from Mathura, a girl from Mathura will get married and go away from Braj, and finish this, like, not good.
और अनजान में knowingly और unknowingly
She'll move out, so this is not good. But Braja is such a transcendental place. If knowingly or unknowingly you touch the fire will burn you.
जान में कोई यदि हाथ रखे आग में हाथ रखे
If you put your hand in the fire will burn you or not. Yes.
हमारे गोस्वामी में दिखाया जाता
My Goswamis have shown, our Goswamis, Jiva Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti also, even when they were old,
है तो बुलाया गया
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, he was invited to go to Jaipur in the Galta Pahari. There was a great assembly in Galta Pahari at that time. Sometimes we tell this story.
उन्होंने बोले मैं वृद्ध हो गया
Vishwanath Chakravarti said, I'm old, I will not leave Raj. I won't leave. But he sent his disciple, Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu. He sent him there.
और बलदेव विद्याभूषण प्रभु ने वहीं पर ध्वजा उड़ाया
Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he raised the flag of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism there. About Jiva Goswami also we know. Jiva Goswami, who was doing bhajan, and Akbar Batsa or some emperor in Agra, he also performed an assembly raising the question, the debate. Who is higher, Ganga or Jamuna?
सब के समझते हो?
There was like a debate. Who is higher, Ganges or Jamuna?
गंगा के तट पर रहने वाले लोग कहते हैं गंगा से
Those who are living on the banks of the Ganges, they were saying, oh, Ganga is higher. Sorry, those who are living on the banks of Ganga were saying Ganga is higher. Those who are living in the banks of Jamuna is higher.
इसलिए कहते हैं तर्कात और प्रतिष्ठनात
So that's why Tarka Apratishtanat, you cannot establish the supreme truth by only logic.
चले करते रहे
Okay, those who are very not a lot of scholar and those who are very knowledgeable, they don't have anything to do, they're just debating. Have you seen this?
बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी उसी प्रकार टकराते रहते हैं अपने अपने पंडित तो
They want to establish their
गंगा
panditya, like their knowledge about the Shastra, so they're not deciding, they were just debating. For 3-4 days they could not decide who was higher, Ganges or Jamuna, or the Jamuna river. Ganga or Jamuna Devi, who is higher? Then Akbar Batsa, the emperor, called, he sent a message to Vrindavan calling, inviting Jiva Goswami. But at that time Jiva Goswami is Ekarat Samrat. He was the emperor, let's say, among the Vaishnavas. Like he was the most prominent Vaishnavas of everywhere. Jiva Goswami at that time. So he was invited. Please come to this assembly and you tell the proper, like you give the sentence, like a sentence, how do you say? Like the results. Because the Panditas, they do this, they even create their own shlokas. The great Panditas, what do? They create their own shlokas. Actually, sometimes they're not even telling the Shastra Siddhanta, they are creating their own shlokas and defending their own opinions because they create their own shlokas, so they are like that Chatur Lal. They create so many shlokas, very beautiful shlokas, with so many rhythm, metrics and alankar, ornaments. But you have to create the shlokas with the Shastra Jukti, means according to the proper logic of the scriptures, right? So, of course. So Jiva Goswami said, I won't leave Vrindavan. Before the sunset, I have to be back. At that time there was no bus, also no car. There was no car at that time. So he came by by horse, like by horse, you say, on horse. Okay, he went by with horses. He went there. So who is higher, Ganga or Jamuna? Okay, Ganga is the foot bathing water of Vamanadeva. This is Ganga, right? And Jamuna, she is Patarani, like the queen of Krishna. Like this song explains. Jamuna, she is called Patarani. Who is higher, the Patarani, the queen, or the servants? So Jiva Goswami presented this beautiful logic, like this beautiful explanation according to the scriptures. But in the end he told, look, actually the Jamuna, she is Patarani, she is the queen. Yes, Krishna performed many leelas in the Jamuna. Like in the Jamunashtakam, it's explained the beautiful glories of the Jamuna. Because Gurudev is saying that this shloka belongs to this, like Jamunastakam from Vallabhacharya, and the devotee is saying no, it's from Rupa Goswami. Vallabhacharya wrote another prayer to the Jamuna, not this. Okay, beautiful descriptions. And especially here in Jamuna, Krishna performed so many leelas. And also Ganga is nothing less also Ganga, because Mahaprabhu, with the mood of Shrimati Radhika and the complexion of Shrimati Radhika, he was also performing pastimes in the Ganga. So Jiva Goswami, he explained very well. Okay, I'll continue. What I want to say is that Braj is a transcendental, divine place. What can I tell you about the glories of the dust of Braj? If I had 1,000 mouths, still I could not stop speaking about the glories of Vrindavan. Akbar Batsa came to Vrindavan and he told to Sanatana Goswami, I want to do a renovation in Vrindavan. Sanatana Goswami said, each dust, each place of Vrindavan is Chintamani, the desire stone. But Akbar Batsa, emperor, told Sanatana Goswami, no, please, you give me instruction and I will renovate. I will renovate some part of Braj. Okay, you know this ghat of the Jamuna, you know the steps leading to the Jamuna, bathing the Jamuna. A corner of one step it's broken, just a corner.
सम्राट आप मुझे मेरे साथ हंसी मजाक
Then Akbar Bacha said, "Are you kidding me? I'm the whole emperor. I have so much money.
देकर को मूर्छित हो गए
And then you're joking me. You want me to restore only one corner." Then Sanatana Goswami put the hand on the head of the emperor. Emperor fainted, and when he woke up
वेच करके भी
from the
वो थोड़ी सी
fainting, when he came to his senses, he saw that even he would sell all the money of all wealth of a whole kingdom of India. He will never even be able to repair even one corner of this step of the Jamuna River,
आत्माएं उनके दिखाई
because full of jewels and transcendental jewels and gems.
हमारे पास तो जैसे
Like those saints, the saints, they can see this, but for us it looks like normal thing, normal places, normal steps. But actually, what are these? Transcendental, divine.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं ये वृंदावन
So,
में ब्रज में रह करके भजन
do the bhajan in Vrindavan. This is very rare.
इसलिए कहते हैं दैन्य के साथ
So with
हीन होकर के
humble, grief-stricken words,
और निष्कपट प्रार्थना करते रहे
you pray without duplicity to Lord.
वृंदावने विहरतोरिय के
Page 78, verse 1 mentioned there.
तदिव प्रवर कौतुकापि भ्रमेण सन्दारस जुवयोर्वदनारविन्दं दन्दं विदेहि मयि देवी कृपां प्रसीद कितना सुंदर इसमें
So beautiful.
श्री गंधर्व
This Gandharva Samprathanashtakam.
हा देवी का कुहर गद गद अद्वाच जाचनि पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदुरुटार्ति अस्य प्रसाद मुदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदेहि प्रातः काल में उठ करके
Early in the morning after you wake up, chanting holy names.
ये समस्त प्रार्थना करो देखो
You do all these prayers like of Gandharva Samprathanashtakam. You'll feel so much bliss in your heart, so much happiness. Automatically your heart will melt.
चित्त करो हरे कृष्ण
Otherwise, you only like Hare Krishna, but then your heart will be dry. You will not even want to chant holy names anymore. So how to chant holy names? This is the way. With humble
समस्त श्लोक
words, you speak all these shlokas. Remember these verses, like this Gandharva Samprathanashtakam. So beautiful.
रमारमणं सुन्दरता वरिष्ठ सौन्दर्यमहित समस्त जगद जनस्य श्यामस्य वामभुभुजवत् तनुं कदाहं ताम इंदिराविरल रूपां भरां भजामि ये समस्त भाव होने चाहिए
All these bhavas you must have.
नीलां निकुंज कुहरे भवतिं मुकुंदे
Page 80, page 80.
चित्तवती रुचिराक्षि
Shloka 7, Gandharva Samprathanashtakam.
रचयति मृषां रुषां त्वां अग्रे ब्रजेन्द्र तनयस्य कदानुनेष्ये स्तवमाला में से लोगों को साईं पाद कैसे सुंदर वर्णन
So beautiful verses Rupa Goswami has written in his Stavamala. So once,
सरकार
the divine couple, Radha and Srimati Radhika and Krishna,
वृंदावन में ऐसे केली विहार
they were performing sweet amorous pastimes in Vrindavan, in the confidential Kunja, Nibrita Nikunja,
वन में विहार आदि कर रहे हैं
performing pastimes.
अनेक प्रकार लीला
Many kinds of leelas they were performing.
में एक लीला यहाँ पर
And one leela here describes is
कुहरे भवति मुकुंदे
verse 7.
क्या लीला हो रही है
Which pastime was going on?
सदन में गृह में
In this Nikunja,
दोनों की क्या की बोले आज क्या खेला खेलेंगे
they were going to play what? Which kind of play they would play that day? Which kind of game?
क्या लुको छिपी क्या बोलते
Hide and seek?
हाइड एंड सीक मैं छिप जाऊंगी
Oh, I will hide, then you search for me. And then when you hide, I will search for you.
है इसी कहा जाता है
This is called
छिपी खेला
hide and seek game.
कृष्ण तो पहली
So Krishna went first.
राधा जी बोले कृष्ण तुम
Srimati Radhika told Krishna, okay, you hide, I will look for you. So Krishna hid.
राधा जी ने क्या बोले
And
कैसे
Srimati Radhika said,
छिपोगे या कोई देख लेंगे उसने क्या कर लेंगे सखियां क्या कर लेंगे
but the Sakis, when they would cover the eyes of Srimati Radhika, they would make some holes and Srimati Radhika could see.
से सखियां होती है ना
And you know, the Sakis, they are from the group of Srimati Radhika. So they do like this. Little bit they would open their fingers, then Srimati Radhika could see between the fingers. So Srimati Radhika could see which direction Krishna was going.
राधा जी चुपती
But when Shrimati Radhika would hide, the Sakis would completely cover Krishna's eyes,
समेट करके
very tight, so Krishna could not see anything really.
तो कृष्ण अभी छुपने के लिए जा रहे हैं
So Krishna is going to hide now.
तो सखियां क्या करती है ऊपर से ऐसे करती है कृष्ण जा करके सुंदर सघन है नील कमल के पास जाकर के वे छिप गए है राधा जी है ढूंढने लगे राधा जी
So Shrimati Radhika was searching for,
देखो वहां पर ये ब्रज में भी सब कहते ना
So-
राधा गोविंद के लीला में सब सहायक होते हैं जत्किंचित तिनगुल्म किकट मुखम गुष्टे
So, everyone in Braj is helping the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Everyone, all the living beings.
शास्त्रे वस्फुटं निश्चिन्त जांच ब्रह्मादि शस्त्रेण मोदियं तया बंधते जत्किंचित तिनगुल्म किकट मुखम गुष्टे समस्तित सर्वानंद मुकुंद द्वैतम सब वृंदावन में जो कुछ
Everything in Braj, everything we see
मुकुंद के भगवान के
is favorable for the pastimes of Mukunda. Daita means they are also very dear to Mukunda, all the living beings. And all they are helping Krishna's pastimes. Everything is favorable, nothing is unfavorable.
लीला के साथ तो उस समय
So at that moment, Shrimati Radhika, she saw what?
कृष्ण के ढूंढने लगे
She was searching for Krishna and she didn't find Krishna. Shrimati Radhika started crying. Shrimati Radhika thought,
कृष्ण मुझे
maybe with this pretext of hide and seek, Krishna has left me and he went away because he's a cheater, you know. Maybe actually he left the Kunja, he's not even here.
राधा जी रोने
So Shrimati Radhika started crying because she couldn't find Krishna.
लगी उस नील कमल
Then Krishna, he went to that blue lotus and he hid in the blue lotus because Krishna is also blue, he's called blackish, so he hid also with the blue lotus.
ये देखो
So
एक लता
there was a creeper
विराजमान है
where Krishna was there between the blue lotuses. There was a tree and there was the golden creeper in this tree. So this golden creeper was exactly moving exactly like almost pointing out where Krishna's was where Krishna was.
लता है क्योंकि इस लता
So Shrimati Radhika thought there are so many creepers, but why this creeper is moving out of like suddenly?
राधा जी उसको देखते हुए
Then Shrimati Radhika saw that actually Krishna was just under that creeper. So Shrimati Radhika caught him. Shrimati Radhika won because Krishna was caught, you know.
अभी क्या करें राधा जी छुपे और कृष्ण
Now Shrimati Radhika, she hid and Krishna had to find her. So I told in the beginning.
जब कृष्ण राधा जी
So-
जब आंख बंद कराती है दो इस अंगुली के द्वारा
When the Sakis were covering Shrimati Radhika's eyes, they would make some gap and Shrimati Radhika could see in between their fingers. But when Krishna was hiding, then no.
राधा जी के खोजना है राधा जी छिप गई
Okay, so now Shrimati Radhika, she hid and Krishna had to search for her.
कहाँ छुप गई
So, but where Shrimati Radhika was hiding?
कमल की बस जाकर छुप
In between the golden lotuses,
आज में
lotus flowers.
राधा जी की अंग कांति
So the complexion of Shrimati Radhika is like molten gold.
में जाकर गई राधा
And she mixed in between the golden lotuses flowers. Krishna was searching her, but couldn't find her.
में कृष्ण क्या करे
Then in the end, what did Krishna do?
कृष्ण ने कोई सखी के तरफ देखा
He looked at some Sakhi,
किंतु कोई एक सखी जो है,
but some Sakhi with her eyes she indicated. Some Sakhi indicated with the eyes.
तो कृष्ण ने क्या की
And then Krishna
ढूंढते ढूंढते राधा
searched and could,
स्पर्श किया
he touched Shrimati Radhika, he found Shrimati Radhika. So in this Leela, Srila Rupa Goswami is telling the 7th verse.
पूरे भवते मुकुंदे चित्रैव सुचितवती रुचिरक्षी नाहम राधा जी गुस्सा होकर
Shrimati Radhika became angry and she's chastising Rupa Manjari.
रूपा मंजरी
Hey Rupa Manjari,
तुमने क्यों निर्देश कर दिया
why did you indicate to Krishna? Why did you tell him that, like,
मंजरी क्या करी
why did you tell that Krishna was hiding here?
राधे
Then Rupa Manjari says, Hey Radhe,
वृथा क्रोध क्यों प्रकाश
why are you angry with me? It wasn't me.
चित्रैव सुचितवती रुचिरक्षी नाहम
It was Chitra, Sakhi, who told him, so please don't frown upon me.
वाली उसकी रुचि राक्षी रुचि माने सुंदर है
Ruchi means beautiful,
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
रुचि राक्षी,
मैंने नहीं किया
beautiful eyed.
चित्रा सखी
Who has done this? It was Chitra Sakhi.
सखियां जो है अष्ट सखी है
But they are one of the 8 Sakis, right? Chitra Sakhi. So Shrimati Radhika never chastises them because they are one of 8 the 8 Sakis. Shrimati Radhika will chastise to whom? Shrimati Radhika will chastise the Manjaris. Understand?
देखो हम कभी इस लीला को
See, about this lila, I remember when we used to go for the Navadvip Parikrama with Gurudeva. This was many years ago, but I'm remembering something that happened with us and Gurudev. So early in the morning in the Navadvip Parikrama, after Mangalarati, then we'll do the Tulsi Parikrama in Devananda Gauriya Math.
जो प्राण है
Those who are old, they have seen this Tulsi Parikrama in Devananda Gauriya Math. Gurudev himself, he would do the Parikrama.
और गुरुदेव कैसे बोलते दंड हाथ में लेकर
So Gurudeva doing the Parikrama, holding his danda in his hands. And we were always around Gurudeva, his left side, right side.
पीछे जो है इतने
And there was so much crowd. There was it was so crowded. Thousands, 1,000, 2,000, so many people doing the Tulasi Parikrama with Gurudeva.
और करते करते क्या करता है जब वो इसमें आ जाते हैं तुलसी परिक्रमा करते हैं आप लोग सब
So you have seen, maybe you have seen
जो हमारे गुरुदेव के जो समाधि जो
the Samadhi of my Gurudeva.
समाधि उसमें छोटा सा जगह था
There's a small place, Param Guru Maharaj Samadhi, and then there's a place with the Tulasi at that place.
और उसी तरफ होते जाना पड़ता था
So you have to go in that way, and it's like a narrow path at that moment.
उस समय सभी
So
लोग सब उठ
everybody was pushing, pushing.
और ठेला ठेले गुरुदेव
And then this pushing would also affect the Gurudev, but then Gurudev would beat with the danda us. He would beat us. Why are you pushing me, Gurudev? They are pushing us. But who would be beat up was
इसी प्रकार
it was us that we were with Gurudev. Gurudev was beating us,
श्रील रूपमंजरी
not the people who are actually pushing.
तारीफ कर रहे हैं
So in the same way, this shloka is also saying,
हे श्रीमती राधिके
"Hey Shrimati Radhika, charming eyed Shri Radhika,
चित्रैव सुचित
why?"
रुचिरच्चि ना हम मैंने नहीं निर्देश किया बात
It wasn't me, it was Chitra, Saki, who told him, so please don't frown upon me.
भुग्नांग भ्रुवंग न रुचिति मृषांग रुसंग क्वांग अग्रे ब्रजन्द्र तनस्य कदानु निश्चते इस प्रकार मैं जब काकुति मिनत
When will I be blessed to see you feigning such anger towards me? And when will I get the opportunity to appease you with sweet words in the presence of Shri Krishna?
राधिका अपने मंजरियों के जो है
How Shrimati Radhika, she chastises her manjaris.
ये समस्त बहुत सुंदर
All this is very beautiful. What I want to say is that
इसी प्रकार
in this way,
नाम करते करते
chanting holy names slowly,
ये समस्त
all this,
लीला आदि कथा को स्मरण करना चाहिए
you should remember all these Leela Kathas. This is what?
कौन सा लीला का उपासना
Which kind of upasana?
एक है सारसिक उपासना एक
So one is,
मंत्रमय उपासना
this is mantramayi upasana.
नाम करते करते
Chanting holy names,
श्लोक आदि उच्चारण करो
then you recite all these slokas and remember these Leelas.
ठाकुर लिखते
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur told,
कृष्ण नाम अचिराते कृष्ण भक्ति पावे प्रेम धन
chant holy names and remember these Leelas, then you attain the wealth of Krishna Prem.
इसी लीला
Chant holy names and remember these pastimes, like early in the morning, for example.
अरुणोदय वृंदा देवी व्यस्त होय कुंजे नाना र उठाइल सुख सारी पद्म सुनी उठे राधा नीलमणि है भक्तिवंत ठाकुर करते
Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes the Nishanta Leela,
हैं कुंज भंग लीला
how Vrinda Devi has to wake up Radha and Krishna.
करना पड़ेगा
So you have to remember these pastimes.
कैसे प्रातः
How early in the morning,
मुहूर्त में
in the Brahma Muhurta time,
गोविंद को कैसे जब
how Radha and Govinda, they are waking up.
लीला आदि स्मरण करो
So you have to remember all these pastimes.
अंत में लिख रहा है यही लीला स्मरो और गाओ कृष्ण नाम अचिरते कृष्ण
So-
प्रेम पावे प्रेम धन है?
In the end it said, remember these Leelas and chant holy names, you will attain the Krishna Prem. This is a sloka from Bhajana Rahas.
हृदय में जो कहते हैं एक
So-
विभिन्न प्रकार की सठता है
All the satata means the pretension,
तो सठ कपट के सठता वो भी ये
shart, pretension is the vice of the conditioned living entities.
की दुष्टता है
Page 81, Manashiksha English on top.
स्वाभाविक रूप में सरल
Pretension is the vice of the conditioned living entities. In their pure state, the jivas are by nature simple and honest.
कपटी ओ
When the living entities take shelter of ignorance, avidya, they at once become deceitful, proud, obsessed with honor and prestige,
साधुसंग के प्रभाव से
hypocritical and immoral.
अपने को तृण
And thus they stray far from the truth of their spiritual identity in relationship with the Lord.
समान देते
by the power of the devotees' association, when they consider themselves to be far more insignificant than a blade of grass and offer respect to others as befits their respective positions, they take shelter of the holy name. So when you get the mercy of Lord, when you can give respect to others, that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains, he sings.
अपराध घुची शुद्ध नामे रुचि कृपा बोले हृदय संचार सकले मानद अपनी अमानी दूसरे के मान सम्मान हम कब देंगे
How can we give honor and respect to others?
कबे हमें बोलो सेदिन हमार उस दिन कब आएगा
When that day will come, that I will be able to
सम्मान प्रदान
honor all the Vaishnavas.
ये समस्त दे रहे हैं उदाहरण कबे हमें बोलो सेदिन हमार अपराध घुची शुद्ध नामे रुचि जितना हमारे हृदय में अपराध
All the offenses, the more that our offenses will be diminished, more
अपेक्षाहीन हो
we will become Trinapekshahin, low, like feeling low as like a humble of grass.
काम क्रोध से लेकर
Actually, the conditioned soul has so much duplicity, lust, anger, all these things,
पाप भरा रहता है
full of sin.
दंभ अहंकार भी रहता है
Dambha, Ahankar, pride, ego, but by the association of the pure devotees and serving them, slowly, 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 you will become this feeling low and humble, insignificant. This dinata, humility, is actually a symptom of prem, external symptom of prem. Do you understand? Srila Sanatana Goswami, in his Brihad Bhagavatamrita, he told,
ये देखो दीनता ही
Satchidananda,
ये प्रेम के स्वरूप लक्षण कहा गया वास्तविक लक्षण
Dinata, humility is the symptom of prem. Like for example, Nanda Maharaj, he told Uddhav, Uddhav, you have been speaking
मुझे समझाने के
whole night trying to tell me that Krishna is Bhagavan.
उद्धव ब्रज में आए थे कि
Uddhava had come to Braj or not?
ब्रजेशोम उद्धव ब्रज में पधारे
Uddhava came
और
in
ब्रज
Braj
में आकर के
and
नंद आदि ब्रजवासियों की कृष्ण के प्रति प्रेम महात्मा को दर्शन किया
the Brajabasis saw, sorry, Krishna showed to Uddhava the greatness of the love of the Brajabasis for Krishna.
उनकी सांत्वना देना ही तो है
Uddhava thought, okay, I came to pacify them, okay.
सांत्वना देने के लिए
So to pacify Lord,
के कहने लगे
Krishna told Nanda Maharaj,
महाराज नंद कृष्ण आपके पुत्र नहीं ये तो भगवान है
Krishna is not your son, he is Bhagavan.
इनके कोई माता पिता कोई होते हैं न माता न पिता
Krishna has no mother, no father.
भगवान के कोई माता पिता नहीं होते
God has no mother, no father.
आज
Do you understand?
भगवान के माता पिता कौन हो सकता है भगवान के कोई माता पिता नहीं न माता न पिता है? ये तो स्वयं आप लोग की ये कृपा करके
Actually, being merciful to you,
स्वीकार किया माता पिता के रूप में स्वीकार किया
he accepted
वास्तव भगवान के कोई माता पिता नहीं है।
parents actually, but actually God has no parents. Narayana has no mother, no father also.
नारायण से तो सभी जन्म लिया
Everyone was born from Narayana.
तो उसी प्रकार से भगवान नारायण स्वरूप है
Sorry. So Bhagavan, he is,
कोई नहीं किंतु आप धन्य हो
you are blessed.
भगवान आपके पिता के रूप में स्वीकार किया
Swayam Bhagavan, he mercifully was born,
नंद महाराज
came as your son just to give mercy to you. Nanda Maharaj told Uddhav,
बालक की बात
you are speaking just like a boy. What are you talking? What are you saying?
अरे हमारे बालक में एक
My son has not even one symptom of being Bhagavan, not even one characteristic of Bhagavan. And you're saying that my son is Bhagavan, is God?
काम क्रोध आदि थोड़ी रहता
Bhagavan would have lust and anger.
भगवत
God has no 18, doesn't have 18 qualities. Sorry, 18 faults, 18 flaws. This one shloka, there is one shloka explaining that God doesn't have 18 faults. But my son has these 18 faults, I saw.
तंद्रा है
My son has fear, he has
लोभ है
greed.
तो कहाँ है
How would he be Bhagavan?
तो अंत में उद्धव कहने
In the end, Uddhava told,
ये उनके ये शब्द लीला है
actually this is
भगवान है
his pastimes. He is Bhagavan, he is Brahma, yes.
आपके पुत्र आप उसके पुत्र मान रहे हो
You are thinking he's your son, but he's not your son.
आप बड़े भाग्यवान हो
Actually, you are very fortunate.
क्यों
Why?
ना भगवान आपके पिता के रूप में स्वीकार किया
Bhagavan accepted you as a father.
आप बहुत भाग्यवान हैं।
You are very fortunate.
तो नंद महाराज क्या उत्तर
So, what answer did Nanda Maharaj give?
दिए उद्धव
Hey Uddhav,
तुम्हें बताओ
so you tell me,
मैंने मैं सुना
I've heard in the Ramayana
है रामचंद्र भगवान थे
that Ramachandra was Bhagavan,
और रामचंद्र वन में जाने के बाद
and when he left for the forest, his father Dasharat,
है, फिर रामचंद्र के विरह में
feeling separation from Ramchandra, he could not resist and he left his body crying out, Haram, Haram.
और कृष्ण यदि मेरे
If Krishna
मेरा पुत्र है,
would really be my son,
कृष्ण मेरे मुझे छोड़कर चले गए,
but you see, Krishna has left me, and until now I continue alive. So where is my love?
तो दशरथ महाराज में ही है।
Dasharatha Maharaj, he had love.
क्या लिखा गया? प्रेम
Because prema is such a thing that you can never tolerate a separation. You cannot tolerate feeling separation from your beloved.
दशरथ महाराज अपने पुत्र रामचंद्र के विरह में,
So Dasharatha Maharaj, he left his body in separation of his son.
जिस प्रकार मछली के साथ जल के साथ समुद्र आता है, यदि मछली को पानी से
Just like, for example, a fish is taken out of the water, the fish will
के प्राण छोड़ देते हैं,
flap his body, and then he'll suddenly,
उसी प्रकार है।
in the end, it will give up its body. Like the fish cannot live without water. The same way, prem cannot tolerate the separation.
हमारे साथ
So tell me,
के साथ हमारी प्रेम कहाँ है?
what is my love for Krishna?
पिता होने के योग्य नहीं,
I'm not qualified to be Krishna's father. I'm not.
ये सब कथा बताया। किंतु विचार करके देखें निरपेक्ष रूप में दशरथ महाराज में अधिक प्रेम है,
But if you analyze in a neutral position, who has more love, Nanda Maharaj or Dasharat Maharaj?
ये समस्त विचार हमारे आचार्य पादों ने दिखाया।
Acharyas explain all this.
प्रेम किसमें?
Who has more love?
इसलिए ये समस्त प्रेम के बारे में कहा जाता है। इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कह रहे हैं, हाँ? इसलिए मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है प्रेम क्या है? यही दिन
प्रेम।
प्रेम की
So the humility is the definition of prem. Humility is the definition of prem. Tranrapi Sunichan, Tayori Basaishnuna.
प्रेम जिसके हृदय में जितना ही प्रेम,
The more you have someone prem, the more someone has prem in the heart, the more the person will be humble.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
में फल
in the tree. If there are many fruits in the tree, all the branches of the tree, they automatically bend towards the earth, the ground.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, if someone has prem in the heart,
ये समस्त लक्षण दिखे।
all the symptoms will be able to see.
वृक्षार गुणवंत
The person will be humble.
नम्रता स्वभाव तार भाई अनुखर है। चैतन्य भागवत में
The Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur explains.
फलवंत वृक्षार गुणवंत जन है, जिस प्रकार पेड़ में फल लगने से सारे उनके शाखाएं जैसे झुक जाते हैं।
When there are fruits on a tree, in a tree, all the branches of the tree, they bend towards the ground. So if the person really has prem, the person will automatically be humble.
वो सब सोचते हैं ये सब
Actually, the person will think, everyone is higher than me.
प्रभुपाद ने क्या
That's why Prabhupada told, what did he say?
जितने भी सुनने
All those who are listening my katha, they are actually all my,
शब्द बोला
what the word he used?
पद, मैं शब्द भूल गया। प्रभुपाद
I forgot the exact word.
पद से मुझे रक्षा करने
They protect me from a
प्रभुपाद ने शब्द बोला है।
great distress.
प्रभुपाद दीनहीनों के लिए बोले।
They are protecting me. If they wouldn't come, I would tell Harikatha to whom? If I wouldn't speak Harikatha, my mind would go to material subjects, material issues, material things.
कथा सुनो और नहीं तो अपने मोबाइल देखकर देखो।
So if you don't speak Harikatha or don't listen Harikatha, you'll be watching your mobile,
बात ये सब नहीं की।
you'll be checking your mobile, isn't it?
दो काम नहीं कर सकते।
So you cannot do two things at a time, at once.
मोबाइल लेकर के बैठते
Some people, they sit with the mobile and speak
कथा सुनने थोड़ी होता है।
and listening Harikatha in the mobile. Actually, you cannot do both, listen to Harikatha and at the Facebook at the same time. Oh, so what did I say? I don't know, I don't remember.
में दो नहीं
Because actually the person was not paying attention. You cannot do two things at once.
तो कहने की तात्पर्य उसी प्रकार है जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ है? ये प्रेम की ऐसी वस्तु, प्रेम अपने को क्या कर दे? दीनहीन बना दे।
So
तो कभी
prema it makes you very humble.
विपद भंजन विपद हाँ?
Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada,
विपद भंजन विपद तारक ऐसे
Vipad Bhanjan or Vipad Tarak means those who are listening, they are liberating me from a great distress, a great danger. They are like a help saving me.
शिष्य बने नहीं, सबको गुरु बना देते।
Actually, Prabhupada told, I didn't make even one disciple. I did only gurus. Guru makes gurus. So this humility.
ये दीनता ही प्रेम की लक्षण बताया जाता
Humility is the symptom of prem.
है भागवतामृत ग्रंथ में।
In the Bhagavatamrita we see all this.
ये भजन करते करते करते
Performing bhajan slowly, slowly.
विश्व की कृपा से
By the mercy of Guru Vaishnavas.
ये समझता कपटता छल कपट अनर्थ आदि दूरीभूत होगा और धीरे धीरे संधिनी के ऊपर संबित और राधनी
All this, the priesthood will be destroyed, and on the basis of Sandhini, Haladini and Samvit,
दाम्भिक अहंकार
sorry, on the basis of
चित्त के दूषित कर देंगे।
Sandhini, Samvit and Haladini will come, and then you understand. Otherwise,
इसे करे भक्ति रसात्मक
actually this
सिंधु में
hypocrisy and deceit will only...
भक्ति की अनुशीलन है उसमें
Sorry, I couldn't get the end of that sentence, sorry. So,
का वर्णन होने भी पहले चार रसों का वर्णन विस्तार पूर्वक और मधुर रस का सर्वप्रधान होने पर भी उसका वर्णन संक्षेप में किया है और इस मधुर रस का मधुर रस भक्ति के रसराज है संत आदि
verse, page 81.
उपयोगी वैधि मार्ग में प्रगाढ़ और आसक्त चित्त वाले साधक के लिए
Down in the page, under, in the bottom.
के साथ इस
In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu it is described that the cultivation of Bhakti may be undertaken in 5 different rasas. Shantadasa, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya. These are known as Mukhya or primary rasas. Madhurya rasa is chief amongst all varieties of Bhakti rasa. Although it is foremost of all, the first 4 rasas have been described very elaborately, whereas Madhurya rasa is described only in brief.
एकमात्र
This is because Madhurya rasa is very confidential.
ब्रज पारकिया रस माधुर्य
So this Brajaparakya ras,
विस्तृत रूप में
Rupa Goswami didn't
क्या बोले
didn't write elaborately
ग्रंथ में वर्णन
about this in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Actually, rather he wrote it elaborately about Madhurya rasa in the Ujjwala Nilamani book.
और फिर धीरे धीरे साधक किस प्रकार रस माधुर्य आस्वादन करते हैं स्थायी भाव के ऊपर ये 5 प्रकार
So,
के जो है
on the basis of Sthai Bhava, 4 kinds of
4 प्रकार के
4 kinds of ingredients will come,
रस उत्पन्न होता है
and in this way rasa manifests.
तो विस्तृत वर्णन है जिसे कहते हैं उसमें विभाव अनुभाव सात्विक व्यभिचारी ये 4 भाव मिलकर
So these 4 bhavas,
रसातक को प्राप्त करता है
Vibhava, Anubhava, Satvika, Vyabhichari.
है तो रसाल कुल कितना होनी चाहिए 49
So there are 49 ingredients
द्वारा ही रस माधुर्य
that when mixed you can relish rasa madhurya.
धीरे धीरे साधन भक्ति भाव भक्ति के रूप में
So slowly,
और फिर
Bhava Bhakti,
स्थायी भाव
then Prema Bhakti, then Sthai Bhava manifests,
पर विभाव अनुभाव
and on the basis of Sthai Bhava,
रस स्वरूप
Vibhava, Anubhava, etc., they mix,
होते हैं इसी की भक्ति रस कहा जाता है
and this is known as Bhakti Ras. Page 82, bottom.
विवरण
So these are very beautiful described in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and also Ujjwala Nilamani book.
नाम तो सभी करते हैं
Everybody is chanting holy names. Everyone is chanting, but Nam and Nam Ras, there is a difference between holy names and the Ras of holy names. Bhakti and Bhakti Ras.
श्रीमान महाप्रभु के कृपा
By the mercy of Srimad Mahaprabhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad,
सुंदर विभाजन करके विस्तृत करके
he has
दिखाया गया
described this.
कहते हैं और किसको
What is Bhakti and what is Bhakti Ras?
और ये भक्ति रस कैसे आस्वादन होता है
How to relish Bhakti Ras also, he also mentioned.
आम रख दे केवल आम रस थोड़ी हो जाता है ना
Okay, mango and the juice of mango.
25 आम तेरे घर में पड़ा हुआ है
Some person, okay, give me mango and I have 20 or 25 mangoes, then this is already the mango juice? No. To get the mango juice, you have to first put the mango a little sometime in the water, isn't it?
थोड़ा ठंडेपन हो जाए फिर उसको क्या करो उससे निकालो
Then you take out the,
फिर उससे
like a,
बर्फ में डालो और देना पड़ेगा क्या देना पड़ेगा दूध डालना पड़ेगा
like you peel the mango, then you know,
डालना पड़ेगा
then you get the,
जानते हैं
Ramananda knows how to make like a mango shake or mango juice. Have to put cardamom, you have to give also camphor, you have to give milk,
परिमाण से कितने परिमाण
and also the quantity of the ingredients to make a delicious mango juice, or mango shake. You have to mix many ingredients with different proportions. Each ingredient had their ratio, so then you can get delicious mango juice.
कर दिया
So Rupa Goswami, he gathered all the ingredients, Vibha, Anubhav, Satvik, Vyabhichari, Alamban,
हमारे रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी
but Raghunath Das Goswami was the person who gave the proper
एकत्र मिलान करके कैसे
quantities of these ingredients to create a very delicious
इसलिए
mixture.
ग्रंथ की अध्ययन करने करने के
So in the same time, when you read the books of Rupa Goswami, also you have to read the books of Raghunath Das Goswami.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी के ग्रंथ में विशेष करके
Especially the book of Raghunath Das Goswami, the book,
क्या बोले
what is the name?
और विरह के कीर्तन विरह के
Full of separation shlokas.
विलाप कुसुमांजलि
Vilap Kusumanjali.
विलाप रूपी कुसुम अंजलि प्रदान करो राधा जी के चरण में।
So he's offering these offerings,
तो ये समझते जब विलाप कुसुमांजलि
offerings like flowers of the separation he's feeling. If you don't read these books, you cannot understand.
वास्तव इसमें कैसे भाव है
How are these
राधा
bhavs?
जी के प्रति एकांत की भाव
One pointed to Srimati Radhika,
इतने मधुर भाव दिखा
her sweet moods.
है इसलिए कह रहे हैं श्री गांधर्व भजन
Fourth, Shri Gandharva Bhajan, page 83.
अब गांधर्व भजन है इसलिए कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं कभी कभी अनुचैतन्य जी
Sometimes the infinitesimal living entity pursues the cultivation of impersonal knowledge with the intention of becoming liberated, and thus becomes absorbed in the experience of Brahmananda,
उसे प्रेम
the bliss derived from realization of impersonal Brahma. But that experience is thoroughly insignificant in comparison to Paramananda or Prema Sivananda.
उसके प्रेमानंद प्राप्त हो जाए
Those who want to merge in Brahmananda, but if they experience Premananda and even higher than that,
आनंद प्राप्त
Rashwananda,
तो ब्रह्मानंद को अपने आप
then automatically the person will give up the Brahmananda, which is lower.
समस्त कथा यहाँ पर वर्णन हो रहा है मन शिक्षा में यही कहते जा रहे हैं
So Manashiksha is saying, oh my mind,
तुम ये ब्रह्मानंद के छोड़ करके
give up Brahmananda and only
आनंद में डूब जाओ राजनी से
drown yourself in Premananda.
प्राप्त करने प्राप्त किए
Getting the mercy without gaining the mercy of the Ladini Shakti, one is ineligible to obtain the topmost spiritual ecstasy.
राधिका
Who is Ladini Shakti Swarupini? Srimati Radhika.
है राधा जी की कृपा जब तक हम प्राप्त
So if you don't get the mercy of Srimati Radhika,
सब रूप में
then actually you cannot
नहीं कर सकते
attain this all things.
और रोज प्रातः
So every day, early in the morning after waking up, we have to pray for the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, Radha Kripa Kataksha.
कारिणी प्रसन्न वक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भूविलासिनी ब्रजेंद्र भानु नंदिनी ब्रजेंद्र सोनु संगते कदा करी सस्यमं कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम है मद मदादि यौवने प्रमोदमान मंडिते प्रियानुराग रंजिते कला विलास पंडिते अनन्न धन कुंज राज्य काम केली कोविदे कदा करी सस्यमं कृपा कटाक्ष भाजन कितने सुंदर भाव पढ़
So beautiful, these prayers, this bhav. After doing your anik,
ये सब स्तुति करो
you should do all the stavastutis.
समय है
For 10 minutes or 15 minutes,
क्या जरूरत
how much time you have. Don't need to do so much. Anyway, just do a little. But anyway, then your heart will be very pleased.
साधन भजन दूसरी की कहा
This is sadhana bhajan.
है इसलिए कहते हैं अतिशय दीनतापूर्वक रागात्मक ब्रजवासी के भाव देखने के सुने के जब
About the time Gurudev said, okay, you can do big or small. Do as much as you can, but do it, you know.
श्रीमती राधा जी के सखी की किसी भी सखी का उनके अनुचरी इसके मंजरी के पदाश्रय ग्रहण कर सेवा करनी चाहिए दिमाग में हृदय में भावना रखना चाहिए
So you have to have this bhav, this mood in your heart.
एक मंजरी के अनुगत्य में सेवा करनी
I want to serve under the guidance of the Manjaris. Like Narottam Das Thakur explains also.
नाथ मोरे संगे गया जाबे सिरूपेर पाद पद मोरे समर्पी हनम की होइबे मोर नरम सखी गणे अनुगत नरोत्तमे कोरिबे शासने नरोत्तम दास और मेरा गुरुदेव
When my Gurudeva, Narottam Das Thakur explains,
गोस्वामी
Mukhanatha Das Goswami,
अबे लोकनाथ मोरे संग ले जाए सिरूपेर पाद पद में मुझे समर्पित मोरे समर्पित मेरे गुरुदेव किसको चरण में समर्पित करेंगे
my Gurudeva will
मंजरी बार रूप गोस्वामी के चरण
offer me to the feet of
रूप गोस्वामी बार की कृपा से ही
Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. By his mercy, sorry, I can get the service of Radha Govinda.
ये समस्त भाव
All these moods, all these sentiments. So chanting holy names slowly.
में उदित होगा
All these things will manifest in the heart.
इसलिए यहाँ पर जो लोग चित राज्य में नित्य चित्त विलास को स्वीकार नहीं करते हैं वे सर्वशक्तिमान
Those who 83 bottom, those who do not accept the existence of eternal divine pastimes within the realm of transcendence are guilty of denying the completeness of the absolute truth, who is the supreme potent
अपने को संसारी
and the embodiment of Ras. Such persons are cut off from the path of mercy and are thus cheated from loving service.
अभिमानं परित्याज्यं ब्रज अभिमानं परित्याज्यं प्राकृत देह श्लोक क्या बोलते हैं अभिमान
What is the verse?
प्राकृत देह ये प्राकृतिक शरीर को अभिमान त्याग देना पड़ता
So I have to give up this ego of this material body.
है मैं स्त्री नहीं हूँ मैं
I'm not a woman, I'm not a man,
नरपति मैं ब्राह्मण नहीं क्षत्रिय
I'm not a Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya nor Shudra.
नहीं मैं कौन हूँ
Who am I?
भोतूर
I'm the beloved of the beloved of the gopis.
भावना रखना पड़ता है
Sorry, I'm the servant of the Krishna, beloved of the gopis.
वही वे स्वभाव अनभाव नारोही वे ब्रज गोपी भाव वही वे स्वभाव अनभाव नारोही वे हैं? देखिते देखिते भूली बाबा कबे निज स्थूल परिचय देखिते देखिते भूली बाबा कबे निज स्थूल परिचय है देखिते देखते मतलब क्या है
Dekite means doing bhajan slowly, chanting holy names, doing nama bhajan slowly, you will
अध्यात्म बुद्धि
forget your bodily conception. I'm not this body.
मैं
I am
कृष्ण के नित्य
the eternal
दास बाबा
servant of Krishna.
दास दासी अभिमान करना पड़ेगा
So you have to have das abhiman.
सिद्धा भक्ति
First, Sarupasiddha Bhakti will impose this mood.
बोले आरोप करो
So now you impose. I can ask you, how can I do this now? Now you can impose.
करते करते
Arupasiddha Bhakti. Without the hypocrisy, you impose. Then you come to Sangha Siddha.
सिद्ध जायती थी संग सिद्धा शुद्ध भक्त के संग में
Having staying in the association of Shuddha Bhakta, doing bhajan,
गुण अपने आप
then his good qualities will automatically reflect upon you.
और फिर
Then,
संग सिद्धा के बाद
after Sangha Siddha,
स्वरूप सिद्धा में प्रतिष्ठित हो जाता
you will be established in Swarup Siddha.
तुम्हारी आत्मा की स्वरूपगत जो रति जिसे कहा जाता है स्वरूपानुबंधी वृत्ति
This rati of your soul, Swarupa Anubandhu Briti, Swarupa Anubandhi Briti, will automatically slowly manifest. Do arati.
पर कार्य
So,
जड़ीय स्त्री या पुरुष देह से उसका किसी प्रकार का संबंध नहीं होता है केवल अनुचैतन्य शुद्ध जीव स्वरूप में जो
okay, service of this type has no relationship whatsoever with the mundane female or male bodies. 84. The female mood, Stribhav, that arises in the constitutional form of the pure infinitesimal jiva is the only identity that is suitable for such service. Sadhakas who at the time of performing sadhana superimpose upon the mind the mundane conceptions of male and female that are born of contact with the material body are deviated from the path of sadhana. To isolate oneself from such persons and perform bhajan under the guidance of Raganuga Rasika Bhakta, who has taken exclusive shelter of the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, is known as Shri Gandharva Bhajan.
दासी यदि
So this Gandharva Bhajan is to be under the guidance of this Rasika Bhakta, who has taken shelter of the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, and you have to have the mood also that you are the eternal servant of Srimati Radhika. Then you very easily you can attain Krishna. So day and night you have to,
तो उसकी कहा
this is bhajan. If you
आज
do like this day and night,
भजन करते करते
think yourself to be the male, female servant of Srimati Radhika chanting holy names,
क्या अपने
then
स्वरूप की उपलब्धि होगा
you'll be able to realize your own Swarup.
स्वरूप ज्ञान की उपलब्धि होगा
You'll get the realization of your own Swarup.
स्वरूप ज्ञान की उपलब्धि होगा है अच्छा तासां आत्मानं चिंतित आत्मा के स्वरूप ज्ञान हो जाता है तो उसमें कह रहे थे क्या ये अपने आत्मा के स्वरूप की परिचय हो
So then you understand who is your form, the form of your soul. Then the Kada Sabhava also will come, the 11 moods,
नाम
your beautiful name, form, pastimes, your service,
धीरे धीरे
all this slowly will manifest in your heart.
दशा में आ जाता है
And also
स्मरण दशा
Panchadasa, Smaranadasa,
दशा और प्रेम संपत्ति दशा को
until Prema Sampati Dasa.
के साधन के क्रम दिखाई
Then also the sequence of bhajan.
सीक्वेंस
No, Kram means sequence.
कितने परिमाण हम भजन करते रहे
So the more you do bhajan
चिंतन आदि करते
and thinking about all these things,
और चिंतन करते करते
thinking,
आगे बढ़ते रहे
then your moods will grow and you'll be able to realize your own Swarup.
स्वरूप की उपलब्धि इसे कहता है गुजर कभी भाव वही वे स्वभाव अनुभावना रे।
So you only one mood you want, the mood of the Braja Gopis, nothing else.
वो स्वभाव क्या रहेगा? ब्रज गोपी भाव वही।
You only want the Swabhav, the nature of the gopis and nothing else.
इसके भजन की तरीका है।
So this is how to perform bhajan.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं। इसलिए मन शिक्षा ग्रंथ में
So in this Manashiksha book, Srila Raghunath Goswami, in a very beautiful way, he has described all this.
भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also, in an even more beautiful way, he has also described how the sadhaka can slowly realize his spiritual form.
उसी तो हमारे तात्पर्य क्या है?
This is the meaning of our life.
कैसे उपलब्धि
What's the meaning of our life? How to realize
भाग में है
our Swarupa. Actually, food and drink,
कि दाना है कि नहीं है?
actually everything is in your bag, in your destiny. How much money you, so how much food you'll get, where you'll go, everything.
अन्न है
If it's allowed for you to go here, to come, or food, if you,
64 प्रकार के
sorry, if it's written for you to get food, he's talking about food, then you'll get food. But maybe there are 64 preparations in front of you, but if it's not in your destiny to eat that day, something will happen, you will have to go away, you cannot eat. So you don't need to worry about eating. You have just to worry about how to realize how to be free from anarthas and realize your spiritual form. So sadhana bhakti, bhava bhakti and prema bhakti. How can we enter this? Vanchakalpa rubhasya kripasinubhaya vacha.
पावने भो वैष्णवे भो। यदि यहाँ पर आप अन्न है चेतना भाव में आ रहे हो, वो अन्न आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पर। और यदि नहीं है 64 प्रकार के 56 अन्न खंडित देना है। यदि यहाँ पर आप अन्न है अन्न खंडित देना है।